Hello, in front of me I've got CUBOT Max 3. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Google Wallet. Tap Explore Wallet. And as you can see, from the homepage of this app, you've got access to your payment cards, quick tips, all wallet tips, and also you can add passes. If you go here, you've got access to, again, wallet tips, tap to pay setup, where you can set up payment card, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got a lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. Next, you can check full list of participating banks, password manager, your data in wallet, when you can manage payments data and manage passes data. In wallet settings, you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes, updates from wallet and Google Pay, and in the end, you've got access to help and feedback and access to your Google account. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.